If your laboratory instruments are staying the same year after year, your outdated technologies could be holding you back. Keep your lab running and up to date the smart and simple way with Waters FlexUp Technology Replacement Program. With FlexUp, benefit from seamless upgrades to Waters' latest LC and mass spec technologies custom fit for your lab and eliminate the issues associated with older instrumentation. With an all-inclusive, budget-friendly, predictable payment plan and no initial capital expense, you'll transform your lab with state-of-the-art technologies using a process that ensures a smooth and seamless transition. Waters' qualified application scientists and technical support teams are ready to train, develop methods, and problem-solve every step of the way. Whether you have a Waters system or another manufacturer's, our flexible financing and service options help you stay ahead of the curve while decreasing maintenance costs and downtime. Upgrading with Waters means minimum disruption and maximum return on investment, boosting your bottom line and your lab's performance. A partnership with Waters is the difference. Step up to FlexUp and discover how easy it is to keep your lab at the forefront of science.